student, good morning all of you. Today for class 9, ICSE, CBSE and West Bengal board also. Rational and irrational numbers. Part 6. That means you have already got 5 lessons. You must go through that lesson. Now please pay your attention on the board. Rationalization. We have to remember. What do you mean by rationalization? Multiplying a surds by another surds. Part 1. Then each surds known as rationalizing factor of the other surd. Example, 3 plus root 5 into 3 minus root 5. 3 plus root 5 and 3 minus root 5 are the rationalizing factors of each other. This you have to remember. Terms you have to remember. Sums from M.L. Agarwal's book, exercise 1.5, sum number 1, part 8. Rationalize the denominator of the following. Rationalize, that means we have to eliminate the surds number, that means root, from denominator. That is known as rationalization. Now please follow the method. Multiplying the numerator and denominator by root 2 plus root 3. Root 2 plus root 3, that is opposite signs of this denominator, that is root 2 minus root 3. We have to multiply numerator and denominator by root 2 plus root 3. By multiplying root 2 plus root 3, that is a plus b into a plus b, that is root 2 plus root 3 whole square. A minus b into a plus b. Yes, Mowli, a plus b into a minus b equal to what? Yes, a square minus b square. You must remember all the formulas what you have learned in expansion. That you have to remember. A minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square. Now a plus b whole square, that is a plus b whole square. Rupam, a plus b whole square. Yes, a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. And a square minus b square, the root and square will be eliminated, then it will be 2. Here also root and square will be eliminated, then it will be minus 3. Then 2 plus 3, that is 5, and 2 into root 6. And 2 minus 1, take 2 minus 3, that is minus 1. Minus we are taking first, then 5 plus root 6, then it will be minus 5 minus 2 root 6. Sum is completed. Vital things, you have to notice what is given in denominator. Opposite sign of this factor, with that factor we have to multiply numerator and denominator. Next sum. Simplify. This is the sum. Here one time we have done the rationalization. Here we have to rationalize 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Same method, in same way we have to proceed. So after writing the sum, multiplying the numerator and denominator of each terms by the rationalizing factor. Rationalizing factor, that means 3 plus root 5, 3 minus root 5. That means root 4 plus root 5. That rationalizing factor of this will be root 4 minus root 5. That is known as rationalizing factor we get. So we have to multiply numerator and denominator, opposite sign of this, that is root 4 minus root 5. Root 4 minus root 5, root 4 minus root 5. Similarly, here we have to multiply root 5 minus root 6. Here also root 5 minus root 6. Same way, root 6 minus root 7, root 6 minus root 7. These two terms we have done same method. Now we have to a plus b into a minus b. PP a plus b into a minus b, a square Yes, a square minus b square. Here it will remain as it is, a plus b into a minus b. In place of a here is root 4 and in place of b that is root 5. So root 4 whole square minus root 5 whole square. Similarly, all the terms, in case of all the terms, we have to apply the formula a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. In this way, a square minus b square, a square minus b square. Very simple. You have to follow the step attentively. Root and square will be eliminated. So 4 minus 5, 5 minus 6, 6 minus 7, 7 minus 8 and 8 minus 9. Now 4 minus 1, that is minus 1. Minus 1 we are writing first. After writing minus 1, then into root 4 minus root 5. Here also minus 1, then root 5 minus root 6. Here also minus 1, and here also minus 1, here also minus 1. In all the cases, we are getting minus 1. Then we have to simplify. Then minus 1 into minus 1 into root 4, that is minus root 4. Minus minus it will be plus. Here minus root 5, minus plus root 6. Here minus root 6, minus root 6, minus plus root 7, minus root 7, minus plus root 7, minus root 8, minus plus root 9. If you notice attentively, then easily you will understand this term is root over minus 4 and this is plus root 9. Plus minus, plus minus, plus minus, plus minus. All the terms will be cancelled. You may cancel or you without cancellation. By mental calculation, we are getting minus root over 4 and plus root over 9. Root over minus 4, that we may write 2 square, and root over 9, that we may write 3 square. So by simplifying, we are getting minus 2 plus 3 and minus 2 plus 3, that is plus 1. Very simple sum. I think Rupam, PP and Mowli, no difficulties. If you feel any difficulties, then you must go through the solution again, then easily you will understand. Okay, thank you everybody.